The alleged attacker in the Hainault sword attack has appeared at the Old Bailey. Marcus Arduini Monzo is charged with murder. 14-year-old Daniel Anjorin died following an attack in East London last week. 4 other people, including 2 police officers, were injured. A warning: some of the injuries described in court that we now hear about are extremely distressing. Our crime correspondent Martin Brunt has the latest from the Old Bailey.
Well, this is a week on from the alleged attacks, and this was a hearing, a brief hearing as it turned out, about 15 minutes, essentially for the court to set a timetable for the criminal justice process from now on, but also for the defendant to ask for bail if he wanted it. Now, Marcus Monzo didn't ask for bail, and he was, after that brief hearing, remanded in custody. He stood in the dock with 4 guards. He was asked 2 questions, his name and his date of birth, and he appeared to struggle to understand both of them, but eventually he did give the judge an answer to those. The prosecutor, Tom Little KC, then gave an outline of the alleged attacks. 5 separate attacks, he said, carried out over about 20 minutes. Monzo faces the most serious charge of the murder of 14-year-old schoolboy Daniel Anjorin, and it was when he was describing the attack on him, he gave the grim details of his injuries. He was, he said, essentially decapitated. Monzo also faces other charges, 2 of attempted murder, one of them of a female police officer, 2 grievous bodily harm charges, a charge of aggravated burglary, and 1 of possessing a bladed article. Monzo will appear again here for a plea hearing, so he'll be asked to say whether he pleads guilty or not guilty to those charges. That's in July, and a potential trial date has been set for February next year.